In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page with your phone.
So log into your Facebook, then click on your profile picture here, right? Click on it, which is the menu icon. Then click on pages. Click on pages here. It's going to take you to this window. Then click on this create to create a new page with your phone, right? Click on create, right? Then select professional, right? Tick professional, click on next. Now enter your page name. What do you want to name your page with? So let's just use this as an example now. Let's say God bless agency, right? Then click on next, which is your page name. Now this here enter your page category. Are you into music? Enter music here. Are you into enter ATS? So I'll just stay advertising. I'll just select my industry here, right? Advertising agency, right? So you can always search for your industry here. Once you select your agency, your category, click on create. So now here is where you enter your bio. So once I've done that, you can just click on back to go back. See the page you just created. Come back to your profile. Click on your profile here like this, right? Then click on pages. Now look at the page you just created, which is this page. But I just click on it to customize it. Click on switch to page so that you can customize the page you just created. So the first thing to do is to make sure that you change the page profile picture, right? You can skip all this, skip all this. You can decide to invite your friends, right? You can decide to invite your friends to follow, but I'll just keep that here now, right? So just click here, right? Click on this, click on edit, right? This way you now edit your profile picture. You can just decide to select any image you have on your device to change your profile picture, right? So let's just use this. Click on save. Now this way you edit your cover photo. And then your bio, you always add the bio, right? Which is an intro of what your business is all about. So click on add, I'll just add the bio here now. Right, click on this, then can we do this, then you can click on save, right? So this is how our page is going to look now. If you want to verify your page, this is where you can use to verify. Just click on verify your page, right? For blue tick, right? The another thing you can do again is to click on this edit, right? Click on this edit. Then other details, you can click on phone, right? Then you can add your email address here, add your WhatsApp number, add your address and all that. And you add your working hour here, right? So to add your WhatsApp number, just come to this place again. Under this part, we used to customize the page. Where we put our profile picture, scroll down, click on phone here, click on phone, click on add WhatsApp, right? Then enter your WhatsApp number here. Once you enter your WhatsApp number here, click on send code. They're going to send you a verification code to your WhatsApp. Enter the code here and confirm. Add, go to link WhatsApp to your page, right? That is how you actually customize your page. This is the first thing you want to do before you ever start using it. So right, you want to make sure that you put your bio in place, your profile picture, your cover photos, which you can change your cover photo for here and can edit your profile picture here and all that, right? So I hope you find value in this video, right? If you do, make sure you like this video and you subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, right? And if you want to learn how to link your Instagram to your Facebook page, I'm going to drop a link to that video in the description of this video, right?
So guys, like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, alright? Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video.